Let me correct a misconception from a lot of folks. Being shy is different from being introverted. There are similarities, but there's a big difference. Shy and introverted people, yes, are mostly sociable with people that they know. They have to first gain their trust before you can speak to them. Shy and introverted people also think and reflect first before they express themselves. However, shy folks do not speak up because they are afraid of what others will think about them. They're afraid of judgment. Introverted people simply enjoy solitude. They're totally fine without being with others, and they can recharge by being alone. In fact, a lot of them get exhausted if they are with other folks. Shy people are concerned about rejection when they speak up. Introverted people don't necessarily care about it, and they just don't see themselves speaking up as a means to express oneself. Some introverted folks prefer to write, some prefer to speak one-on-one instead of doing it in front of the public. Know the difference because shy people are not always introverted and vice versa. Spread the word, now you know.